Hi guys, this is Sagar Rao, the official owner of Sagar Rao in YouTube. So I welcome you to my video. So this video is about how to improve your personality. Um, okay, I'll give you 5 tips which will improve your personality in a month or maybe very early. So guys, I was telling about how to improve your personality in less than a month or less time than that. So let's start the video. Number one quality is your routine. You should change your routine every day. Not every day, it's not possible. So routine is by habit. I think from my experience, 21 days becomes a habit. So you should change your routine. First point is your routine, which is very important for any interview. If you go, if your routine is not good, you will not get inside. I mean, you will not get the job which you are going for interview. So you will not click it. So routine is the first thing which you should change. If your routine is good from morning to till night, it's disciplined and you're following it daily, it will be better for you. Second thing is exercise and diet. Exercise is very important for any human being, because if you don't focus on your body externally and internally, then nothing will happen. No God can help you. So your exercise and diet plays a very important role on your body and your mind. So to improve your personality, you need exercise at least of half an hour daily, and diet is important. Diet in the sense, no junk food or not that strict diet which Bollywood celebrities keep, but a simple diet which you can keep for yourself, uh, and exercise and diet. Second one. Third is smart work. In this world today, in 2021, in the 21st century, you need smart work everywhere. Previously hard work used to work, but now smart work is very important. Everything smartly. uh, I'm not telling about a smartphone, but smart work is very important nowadays. In any company, any field you go, any interview you go, you need to have a smart work on your day-to-day basis. So focus on smart work rather than hard work. Hard work is important, yes, but focus on smart work. Fourth is self introspection. You may have heard this term, but I am telling you, for any interview you go, any job interview, anything, main thing is self introspection. You should know yourself. uh, Being yourself, you should know what you are inside, what capacity you have, what skills you have. You should know very carefully, very what in the sense, you should know what you are. If I am Sagar Rao, I should know what I am. What are my qualities, what are my negatives, positives, everything. So you should do a self introspection on yourself before going for any interview, or yes, for improving your personality. It's very important. Fifth and last is you should focus more on your personality improvement. I think, because there is no other point concluding this. So to improve your personality, you should work on this, and you should daily, at least 5-10 minutes practice in front of mirror, giving speeches. You may have heard great personalities giving the speeches. So you should try to improve your personality and try to gain out of it, so that you become something in life and achieve something. So yes, that's all guys from my side. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and give a thumbs up if you like it. Do comment below if you need something in my next content, and tell me about this. Do comment below, and link is in description of Google Pay. Please go and click it below. Referral code. So anything you want to tell me, do comment me or DM me. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Thank you.